Okay, so this is the answer of question number 11. This is the answer of question number 11. Anything do you want to ask in this question?
मैं नहीं कर
Anything do you want to ask in this question? No? Okay. We are doing the next question. After 11, question number 13. X square y dash plus x into x plus 2y is equal to e raised to power x. Question number 13. X square y dash x square y dash plus x into x plus 2 into y is equal to e raised to power x. So first of all, we'll check whether any number, any term involving x on the right side, involving y on the right side. No, there is no term involving y on the right side. The second thing, is there coefficient other than 1 of y dash? Yes, x square is there. So we'll divide by x square. So that the coefficient of y dash or dy upon dx will become 1. We will divide by x square. So it will be dividing by x square. It will become y dash. It will become divided by x square. So 1 over x into x plus 2 into y 1 over x e raised to power x. Now convert y dash dy upon dx. Plus multiply by x. 1 over x into x will be 1. 1 over x into 2 will be 2 upon x into y. This is 1 over x e raised to power x. Now we'll find the integrating factor. E raised to power integral 1 plus 2 over x dx. Integral of 1 will be x. Integral of 2 upon x will be 2 ln x. 1 upon x ln x. 2 ln x. Further, e raised to power x plus ln x square. This 2 power will go over there. This 2 will go over there, x raised to power 2. Now the 2 powers are being added. It means the 2 factors of e raised to power are being multiplied. It means it is e raised to power x into e raised to power ln x square. When the 2 powers are being added with the same base, so it means the 2 numbers are being multiplied. So this is ln and e cancel. This is only x square. This is ln and e cancel. So dot x square into e raised to power x. Or I may write e raised to power x into x square. Ln and e cancel. So it will become x square e raised to power x. This is the integrating factor. X square e raised to power x. Multiplying by the integrating factor with this one. So it will become x square e raised to power x into dy upon dx plus x square e raised to power x into 1 plus 2 over x into y. This is also x square e raised to power x into 1 over x e raised to power x. This is simplified.
सर
जी कहिए.
ये जो आपने लास्ट इज इक्वल्स टू के बाद जो लिखा है 1/x, ये 1/x स्क्वायर होगा ना, आपने डिवाइड बाय x स्क्वायर किया था.
ये वाली इसकी बात कर रहे हो? इसकी बात कर रहे
नहीं
हो?
सर, ऊपर, नहीं सर, ऊपर स्टार्ट में डिवाइड बाय x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू के इधर भी तो x स्क्वायर से डिवाइड होगा ना.
जी एक्स स्क्वायर से डिवाइड किया, ये आ गया, ये आ गया, और इसको डिवाइड किया, ये आ गया. हाँ ये एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, सॉरी ये वाला जो है ये एक्स स्क्वायर होगा. यस दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर. तो ये पूरा का पूरा कैंसिल हो जाएगा. दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर. व्हेन वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय एक्स स्क्वायर, so this is cancel only y dash. This is divided by x square, it will be 1 over x. This is divided by x square, it will become 1 over x square e raised to power x. So 1 over x square e raised to power x. When it is multiplied by this one, it is 1. This is 2 upon x. And this is 1 over x square e raised to power x. We will take the integrating factor e raised to power integral 1 plus 2 over x dx. So that means the derivative integration of 1 will be x. Integration 2 upon x will be 2 ln x. It will become x plus ln x square. If we separate them, e raised to power x into e raised to power ln x square. So ln and e cancel. This is e raised to power x. This is ln and e cancel. X square is left. So it will become x square e raised to power x. Now we multiply by x square e raised to power x. This one, it will become x square e raised to power x dy upon dx plus x square e raised to power x into 1 plus 2 over x into y is equal to x square e raised to power x into 1 over x square e raised to power x. So e raised to x square or x square cancel. E raised to power x into e raised to power x will be equal to e raised to power 2x. और ये टोटल क्या हो जाएगा? That will become the whole derivative of integrating factor, that was x square e raised to power x into y. ये whole क्या इसको लिख देंगे? The whole derivative of x square e raised to power x into y. That means the integrating factor into y. Or that will become x square is cancelled by x square e raised to power x into e raised to power x. So e raised to power 2x. The powers are added when we are multiplying. So this is x, so it will become 2x. Now multiply by dx, both the side. It will become derivative x square e raised to power xy is equal to e raised to power 2x dx. Muhammad Basil Qureshi. And Hasnan Tariq. Okay, so now we will integrate. You Basil Qureshi, you are coming at the last session. First, all the first 3 sessions were absent. You will take the integration. We will integrate x square e raised to power x into y and e raised to power dx. Here I will do. Here the derivative and integration are cancelled. X square e raised to power x y is equal to integration of e raised to power 2x will be e raised to power 2x divided by the derivative of 2x, that is 2 plus c. So this is the answer. You may find if you divide by this one, so y will become e raised to power 2x upon 2 and x square e raised to power x. इसे डिवाइड कर देंगे, इसको भी डिवाइड कर देंगे. c upon x square e raised to power x. You may divide this one also, or this will become 1 over 2 x square और e raised to power x ऊपर जाएगा तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा. 2x minus x will be e raised to power x and that will become 1 over x square c e raised to power minus x. If we do, we may simplify this one. And this is the final answer. Now we will do some question of initial value problem in which we will find the value of c. Initial value problem. Question number 25. Have you understood this one? Have you all understood this one? If anything do you want to ask, you may ask right now. Otherwise, I'm rubbing it. Yes, no? Okay. Question number 25. In question number 25 to 36, solve the given initial value problems. Give the largest interval over which the solution is defined. Question number 25. dy upon dx is equal to x plus 5y y0 equal to 3. This is the initial value. That means when x equal to 0, y will be equal to 3. When x equal to 0, this question number 25, dy upon dx is equal to x plus 5y at y0 equal to 3. That means when x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 3. This is showing the value of x. Y is a function of x. When x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 3. So that value will be replaced after finding the solution. To calculate the value of c. This value will be substituted to calculate the value of c. Okay. So first of all, we'll convert into the standard form. On the right side, we will check whether any term involving y is there. Yes, 5y is there. So that will be shifted on the right side. It will become dy upon dx minus 5y equal to x. Now there is no term involving y on the right side. Number one condition. Second, the coefficient of dy upon dx should be equal to 1. So that's also fulfilling this, the second condition also. The first we fulfilled by shifting 5y on that side. Now this is the standard form. Now we will find the integrating factor will be equal to e raised to power integral minus 5x. Oh, sorry, minus 5. This is minus 5 dx. So it will become e raised to power minus 5x upon 1. The power of x is 1, so divided by 1, it will become minus 5. So this is the integrating factor. We multiply by the integrating factor, it will become e raised to power minus 5x dy upon dx minus 5 e raised to power minus 5xy x e raised to power minus 5x. So that is the derivative. With respect to x is the integrating factor. e raised to power minus 5x into y is equal to x e raised to power minus 5x. Multiply by dx, derivative of e raised to power minus 5xy is equal to x e raised to power minus 5x into dx. Integrate. This is cancel. It is e raised to power minus 5xy. But here we will use udv again. We will use udv the formula. There are two functions are being multiplied. Two functions or facts are being multiplied. So we will use the formula of integration by part udv. So this will be considered as u. We will do by okay u, and it's by the method of tabular form. By the method of tabular form, u and its derivatives, u and du and its derivatives dv and its integral we will use the tabular form. U is considered x because it will be decreasing, decline. So x, and here it is e raised to power minus 5x. This is u, this is v. Its derivative will be 1. Its integral e raised to power minus 5x upon minus 5. Now its derivative will be 0. Its integral will be e raised to power minus 5x upon minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, this will be multiplied. This will be multiplied. This will be multiplied. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. When it is multiplied by anything, it will become 0. There's no need to write. So it will become x into e raised to power minus 5x upon minus 5, then minus sign, 1 into this one upon minus 5 into minus 5, 25. And it will be 0. So we will add some cost. After 0, we will write some constant. So there's no need to write 0. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. E raised to power minus 5x y is equal to x e raised to power minus 5x upon minus 5 minus e raised to power minus 5x upon 25 plus some cost. So that will be written. If I do over there y e raised to power minus 5x y is equal to minus 1 upon 5 x e raised to power minus 5x minus 1 upon 25 e raised to power minus 5x plus c. If we divide by e raised to power minus 5x, it will become y. Y will become, if I divide by this one, e raised to power minus 5x divided by e raised to power minus 5x cancel. Minus 1 upon 5x. This is also cancel. Minus 1 upon 25. And this is c divided by e raised to power minus 5x. C divided by e raised to power minus 5x will become c e raised to power 5x. This is also the answer. You may find the answer this one or this one. Both are correct. You may find the answer this one or this one. So now we will put the values y03. To find the value of c, we will substitute the initial value. We will substitute the initial value. Substituting y0 equal to 3. In equation, this is equation 1. In equation 1, y will become, y is 3. Y is 3. So here 3 equal to minus 1 upon 5 into x, x is 0. This x is 0. Minus 1 upon 25 plus c e raised to power 5 into 0. X is 0. So 5 into 0. 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 into 0 will be 0. This is minus 1 upon 25. This is c. E raised to power 5 into 0 will be 0. And e raised to power 0 will be 1. So minus 1 over 25 will come over there. So 3 plus 1 over 25 equal to c. Because e raised to power 0 equal to 1. So c into 1 will be equal to c. C into 1, okay, I will write over there. Because e raised to power 0 will become 1. Okay. Now further simplify 3 into 3 plus 1 over 25 will be 25 into 3 75 plus 1 76. 76 upon 25. This is C. We found the value of C. Now we substitute in equation 1. Substituting. C equal to 75 upon 76 upon 75 in equation 1. C is equal to, substituting C is equal to 76 upon 25, 25, sorry. 76 upon 25 in equation 1. This is the equation 1. So y will become minus 1 upon 5x minus 1 upon 25 plus C. C is 76 upon 25 into e raised to power 5x. This is the final answer. Y is equal to 1 over minus 1 over 5 x minus 1 over 25 plus 76 upon 25 e raised to power 5x. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Y is equal to minus 1 upon 5x minus 1 upon 25 plus 76 upon 25 e raised to power 5x. Understood, all of you? Have you all understood? Okay. Yes, Mohammad Ashar. Do you want to ask anything?
सर वो गलती से म्यूट हो गया था।
अच्छा, चलिए ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। So now the time is less than 1 minute. So I am ending the class.